Okay, so in this video we're going to go ahead and embed a YouTube video into our iframe here, and we're going to get that put in right now. I've already chosen a YouTube video, just going to grab any old video. Now I'm going to go ahead and just put that in there. Okay. Now let's see, I can get rid of this right here. I actually want, let me go ahead and delete this. We don't need this. Just some conflicting styles that we're not gonna need. And we've got to put some styles on our div here. Let's go ahead and get that handled. So for this one in particular, we want to make it relative. We're going to do a full width. And we're going to put height as 0. And let's give the padding top, let's set that to 56.25%. I think that's good. Now if we go down here, look at our iframe. This class is absolute positioning. Top margin of 0. Left is 0. The width is full and the height is full. And that should be about it for that. But let's go ahead and check on our live server. Yep, there it is. You can see that it takes up 100%. And it scrolls underneath your navbar. Your navbar has a z-index of 20, if you remember correctly, from one of our other videos. But there you go. So, I mean, I can, later on, I'll show you how to get rid of this title, this play tab, the watch later, and the share back here. So this is just your navbar with this kind of parallax behind it. And now let's go ahead and insert your logo. Let's do that. So we'll go up to our logo here. I'm just going to put any old thing. So if you remember correctly, in your image tag right here, your SRC, your source, your image goes here. So let's go ahead and get rid of that. I haven't chosen a, whoops. I haven't chosen a logo image, so I'm just gonna grab a picture of some kind. And you can go to Imgur, or you can use placekitten.com. You can go there and you can get some images to put in there. And I think I will just put now let's do this one. Oh wait, we haven't created our image folder. Let's do that. We have to do that first. So I'm just going to call it images. And then I'm going to take my image and I'm going to drop it in my image folder. There you go, right there. I'm just going to call it Tesla. Okay, we can DX that. We don't really need it. Now what we're going to do, come up here. Going to right click on it. And we're going to copy the path. And we're going to drop it in our quotes. And let's see. We just need this folder. I didn't do that right. Sorry about that. I gave my full address. So that's basically all you need is your folder and your image. Let's see how that looks. It's probably going to look pretty bad. Nope, looks good. Excellent. Obviously, it's not our business logo, so the writing doesn't match sizing wise. But there you go. So, I mean, everything is functioning the way I want it to. Now I have my video in the back. We can go ahead and build out some sections. But I am going to save that for another video to build out those items. We'll get to the sections in another video, but for this one we went ahead and put a generic image in for our company logo, and then we went ahead and we added our iframe, our embedded YouTube video, which is also just another generic video. That's typically what you want to do, just get some placeholders in there, unless you have your you have the ones that you actually want to put in there. And then again, make sure that you look at your documentation so that you can fully understand what these are. Your padding top of 56.25% just makes the image look better on your viewport, and you want that div to be relative to the children, which is your iframe in this case, and so that one needs to be absolute within that div container. And that's pretty much it. I mean, if you want to get to YouTube, let's go ahead and do that. We'll go to YouTube. I'll show you how to get the embed code for the video. So you just pull up, I'm just going to pull up any video. Let's do this one. I like the beach. So typically what you want to do here, I don't want it to play, is you would get to your share, click on share. Now you have your options here, what you want to do. Here's your embed. Grab your embed code, copy that, and then you just go to your code here, and you just paste it in there. The only thing that you're going to do, obviously, is you're going to put in your own classes so that you can style it in a manner that you wish, because it's not going to have that. It's not going to have that level of customization that you're going to want. So you're going to have to add classes to it to make it fit the way in which that you'd like on your viewport. So I will go ahead and end this video here, and we will get to the section elements.